Okay, here we are up in Teetertown doing a little smallmouth bass fishing. A cool pond out here. And there she is, that famous fisher lady, Sharon. There she is. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get them. All right, what do you got on here?
Those little fish.
All right. You take him off.
So all I do?
I get him.
I can get him.
No. Another one?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you got a little sunny this time. A little sunny.
What kind of fish is that?
That's a sunfish. See him?
Oh. Sure. I'm not scared of you.
All right, another one, huh?
Yep.
They're not the biggest fish, but a lot of fun to catch, aren't they?
Yeah.
Huh? Smallmouth bass. That's about your 20th one. Yeah! Oh, baby! Yeah! Show the fish. He's jumping. He's breaking water. Woo!
Well, you echoed. You heard that?
Huh?
Did you hear that?
Look at that one. Yeah. A nice one, right?
Come back in.
Okay. That's a nice one. They're getting bigger. Look at the one I just caught. Look at him.
Aw, he has seaweed on him.
Huh?
He has seaweed on him. No, this one's little. This looks like a different kind of fish.
No, it's yes, it's called a seaweed fish.
No, there's like, it looks different because the other one had like, had holes in it.
Huh?
Oh, okay, now it does too.
What?
Those things. Whoa.
Oh, he jumped
whoa.
off. He jumped off. Look. There he goes. All right. All right, you gonna cast it out? All right, let's catch him. Maybe not.
It's like the same one you just
It's
caught.
the same one I caught. I keep catching the same one.
3 times in a row.
No.
There's only 3 fish in the water.
Huh?
There's only 3 fish in the water and you're catching all 3 of them over and over.
The hell did I catch?
Don't you dare. That's what Kurt does.
Does he do that?
Yeah, throws things right next to
He
me.
goes like that. Right?
No, he throws it like closer so
Yeah,
that like the
yeah.
slime lands on me.
The squid, right? Remember that?
Oh, that was so gross and he kept on doing it.
Huh?
And he kept on doing it. Aw.
A little bit bigger. He felt a lot heavier. All that seaweed on. 8 pounds of seaweed on him. Pretty cool place, though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? You like it?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Okay. There he goes.
Here.
You got him?
Yeah.
Is that about your 30th one?
This one's hard.
Huh? All right, yeah, girl. They're strong, aren't they, Sharon?
Yeah.
Huh? All right. Good job. Nice
Oh,
one.
this one's heavy.
Yeah. Pull him up by. Wow.
That one's actually really big compared to the other ones.
Yeah, not bad, right?
No.
What happened?
Got in my eye.
Just you got on your face. It's all
Yeah.
you get scales on your cheek.
Shut up. No, there's not.
You did. You got minnow scales on your shiner scales on your nose.
Stop.
Pick your
I
nose.
didn't even hit my nose. I hit my eye.
It's in your eye. Turn around. It's above your eyelid. There's a big scale. Big fish scale.
You're such a
Look at
liar.
the fish scales all over your face.
Stop.
It's nothing. I'm just teasing. Hey, you hear the frogs?
Mm-hmm.
Listen.
They're everywhere.
Huh?
They're everywhere.
Hear 'em? Look at that. Uh-oh, there goes the pole there. Just flip the camera around, young lady. Just on over it. Here we go.
There's one right there. I think it sounds like they're coming closer to us, Ken.
What?
Sounds like they're coming closer. You hear it? They sound like they're moving.
Huh? Huh?
They sound like they're moving.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
They sound like they're coming closer.
Huh?
Closer to us. I feel like I'm in that movie Signs. I should get some foil hats.
Hey, quiet. They're moving in now. They're moving in. They'll be on your feet pretty soon. Look down. Look down by your feet. They're gonna creep right up to you.